in time of silver rain.
The earth puts forth new life again.
Green grasses grow, and flowers lift their heads, and over on the plain, the wonder blessed of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterfly leaves silken wings. To cat and rainbow cry, and trees put forth no leaves to sing. Enjoy beneath the sky, as down the roadway, passing boys and girls singing too. In time of the rain when spring, and life are new.